Hello friends, welcome to TriTop Academy. Today we'll continue from question 3 of our GCSE past question, IAT year 2023. And the question says, write 156 as a product of its prime factor. Now to do this is as simple as ABC. So what we need to make use of is the factor tree. So we're having 156. So we need to split this into two. What are the two numbers that you multiply that will give us 156? We have 2 times 78. Now you split 78 again into two parts. So what are the two numbers that you can multiply together that will give us 78? That is going to be 2 times 39. Now we still need to split 39 into 2. So what are the two numbers? When you multiply them together, that will give us 39. We have 3 times 13. Now at this point, we are going to get circle our prime numbers. So 2 is our prime number here. 2 is also a prime number here. 3 is a prime number and 13 is a prime number. So to express this as a product of its prime factor, we have the answer is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 13. So in index form, it can be 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 13, which is the final answer for this. So we're going to move on to question 3b. It says find the highest common factor of 156 and 130. Now we are going to use the factor tree as well. So the product of this in the index form is 2 times 2 times 3 times 13. So we need to find the product of this as a prime factor. So we are going to do the same thing here. You split this together. So what are the two numbers that you can multiply that will give us 130? That is 2 times 65. Then we need to split 65 again into 2. So what are the two numbers? When you multiply them together you have 65. That's going to be 5 times 13 is 65. So the prime factors here are 2, 5, and 13. So for this, we are having 2 times 5 times 13. So what are the numbers that are common for both numbers? We have 2 is here and 2 is here. And what else is common? We have 13. These two are common. So therefore, the HCF of 156 and 130 is 2 times 13, and that is going to give us 26. So it says the mean of 5 stick is 4.2 centimeter. So now measures the length of one of the sticks. So one of the stick is 7 centimeter. So work out the mean of the other 4 sticks. So what we need to do now is, since one of the stick is 7 centimeter, so we need to find, I think each of the stick, okay, 5 stick is 4.2, right? So we're going to do 4.2 here. So 5 times 4.2. So if you multiply this 5 times 4.2 centimeter, that is going to give us 21. So that, which means that the total number of the total length is 41. Yeah, the total length is 21 rather, 21. So if you do 21 divided by 5, that will give us this 4.2. So now what we need to do now, we said each length, one of the lengths is 7 centimeters. So if 5 lengths, 5 sticks, it will give us a total of 21 centimeter. Yeah. So one stick. So if one stick is equals to 7 centimeter. So therefore, 4 sticks is going to be 21 centimeter minus 7 centimeter. And when you subtract this, we have 14 centimeter. Now, but because the question says, what is the mean of the other 4? So the remaining 4 stick is, the total is 14. So the mean of the 4 sticks is equals to 14 centimeter divided by 4. And when you divide this by 4, we are going to have 3.5 centimeter. Don't forget, it is non-calculator. This is non-calculator. You can leave your answer as 7/2. So if you leave your answer as 7/2, it will be marked or 3.5 centimeter. So thank you. See you in our next video.